Nakabahan ako very much. This is my demo day. I'm just so nervous. I don't know even what to do. I feel like I'm gonna stutter. Ano pa lang naman? 7:07. Pero, ang class ko is 9:30. Papasok ako. Siyempre, susuportahan ko ang aking partner. And then, nasa akin din yung gamit or props ng aking partner. Kinakabahan talaga ako. Grabe. Ito yung kaba ko. Mas kabado pa ako dito sa demo kasi sa final thesis ko. Kasi, to be honest, yung final thesis, mga prof ko lang na nandun. Mga kilala kong prof. Ito kasi, may mga observers mula ibang department. Tapos, yung mga estudyante ko, pakilala ko yung estudyante ko. So, if I did something or do something that's so embarrassing, kilala ko. And it's probably gonna stay forever in my mind. So, I'm just kinda like, so nervous. I don't... Imagine mo 3 AM ako nakatulog. Just because I kept thinking about it. Yun lang. Mag-aayos lang ako. Kaso nga, yun nga worry namin kasi yung city ko, parehas sabi niya, pwede naman parehas gawin namin ng acting partner. Kaso nga baka sitahin kami na super duper na kaming pareho. Even from motivation, performance, and such. And I'm like, I don't really care para sa akin. Kasi that was the instruction. So, That is what it is if nasita ka mo. I really don't mind. But I'm actually shaking it. I'm actually shivering my timbers right now. Sorry. Ang sukat ng tiyan ko. Huwag naman yun. Please. Yesterday, I ate Korean barbecue. Korean chicken and then coco. And it has, I don't know, I'm probably lactose intolerant kasi I poop always when I drink milk. So, yeah. All I want is for this day to end. Kasi if after this, I'm not gonna do anything. I have to do something. Pero, something na parang nawala ng tinik. Ganun, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. Yun lang, kasi, like, the other things that I needed to do, it's just like a minor things, but these are the biggest things that is happening in my life. I'm just gonna go crazy. The stomach hurts so bad, bro. Goodbye.
So in first paragraph, you have to remember that you have to put all these emojis. These emojis. Choose one emoji and explain what is your opinion or comments on that sentence.
Yun, before I go to sleep, yun lang yung na-videohan ko kasi I was so busy trying to concentrate. And also, there were a few people from from the College of Education, which is the younger batch. They went also to watch me. So it kind of like made my mind blank space, baby. Ganun. I had a mental block when they went in. I was like, oh, I know them. Like, why are they here? Pero yun nga, I didn't had enough footage kasi of course Data Privacy Act as well. But yeah, to end it, thank you so much for my critic teacher. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love you, Miss Flor. To my partner, she's the best. And to 11 Yums, thank you so much for everything, for the memories and being such good students to me. And yun lang. Goodbye. This is such a short vlog kasi talagang after my demo, I went home, sleep, woke up, and I'm gonna sleep again. Yun lang. Bye.